You've been there. You're scanning your charts, and suddenly the perfect setup appears. The pattern is textbook. Every indicator lines up. You click buy, sit back, and wait for the profit. But instead of taking off, the stock freezes. Then it aggressively reverses. It's like watching a speeding car hit an invisible brick wall. You missed one piece of data that answers the most important question in trading. Is this move real, or is it fake? That missing piece is volume. Today, we are going to build a 3-step volume filter checklist. By the end of this, you will know exactly how to spot these traps before they trigger. Before we start, open your charting platform and turn on the standard volume indicator. It's usually a series of vertical bars at the very bottom of your screen. Adding this single row of data removes the guesswork from your strategy. You'll stop hoping a trade works out and start requiring hard evidence before you risk a single dollar. Step 1 is identifying the setup. Let's look at a stock pushing right up against a key horizontal resistance level, threatening to break out. At this exact moment, you need to measure conviction. Volume shows you whether heavy institutional money is actively pushing the price, or if retail traders are just hesitating on the sidelines. This chart shows a breakout in progress. Ignore the broader pattern for a second. Focus entirely on this specific candlestick, the one physically crossing above the resistance line. Now, look straight down. Find the exact volume bar that matches that specific time period. If that volume bar is tiny, only a few people agreed with the breakout. There is no financial backing here. It's a fragile trap, and it will collapse as soon as the buyers run out. Now, let's look at the alternative. If that breakout candlestick is paired with a massive volume spike, millions of shares are changing hands. That level of participation proves serious institutional support. The physical size of a green candlestick means very little on its own. The underlying volume data is what actually proves its structural integrity. Once the breakout is confirmed, step 2 is evaluating the follow-through. We need to watch the next several periods to see how price and volume interact. Here is a chart showing the first scenario, the golden setup. Notice how, as the price steadily rises, the volume bars rise right alongside it. This parallel growth means more and more capital is entering the market, agreeing with the upward direction. Conviction is strengthening. This is your green light to stay in the trade. But look at what happens in scenario 2, the warning sign. The price is still moving up, but the volume bars are actively shrinking. Fewer traders are buying at higher prices. The move is losing steam, and the remaining buyers will soon start looking to take profits. This divergence points directly to an imminent reversal. Finally, scenario 3 is the spike and dry. You get one massive initial burst of volume, followed immediately by silence and a flat price. Do not confuse a single isolated spike with sustained conviction. One burst of activity does not guarantee a tradable trend. Watching these trends dictates your position. Volume tells you to hold steady, tighten your stop losses, or exit the trade entirely. Step 3 brings us to the actual moment of execution, right before you click buy. We can condense everything into a strict binary filter. Before any trade, ask this exact question. Is this price move happening with volume or without? If the answer is with, the volume confirms the conviction. You have the validation you need to execute the trade. If the answer is without, the lack of participation exposes the setup as a trap. You avoid it entirely. A common mistake is buying early, hoping the volume will show up later. Do not anticipate. Wait for the actual volume bars to print on your screen. Applying this simple checklist rule acts as a strict guardrail for your account. It protects your trading capital from being slowly drained by false breakouts. Most retail traders are trading blindly, reacting to abstract shapes on a screen. Institutional traders require hard proof of participation before they commit. By filtering your setups through volume, you adopt that same strict discipline. You're locking in a standard that keeps bad trades out of your account. And you can take this even further. Professional traders go deeper by tracking the volume traded at the bid versus the ask to measure real-time buying pressure. They track exact volume concentrations at specific price levels to uncover where institutions are quietly accumulating shares. If you're ready to learn the exact framework professionals use to read these markets, join us in the Calibre Signals Discord. The true edge doesn't come from guessing where price is pointing. It comes from tracking exactly where the heavy money is moving.